Hello, my lovely Aquarius. How are you all? And I hope you are doing wonderful, amazing wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. This is your extended love reading for Sunshine, Moonshine, and Venus sign Aquarius. And if you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything, Aquarius. Okay, I don't read reversals and gender is not specific here. I have already uploaded your main reading and I'm going to tell you one more time because some of you Aquarius have not seen that. I hope it resonates with you, but if it doesn't resonate with you, you can skip it out, Aquarius, and take whatever is resonating because this is the extended general love reading. And wishing you all, my lovely, beautiful, magical beings, Aquarius, a very happy new year in advance. So this is the last reading for December 2020. Okay, let's see what are the messages. What are the messages? What are the clarifications for you December 2020? There is someone around you, Aquarius, who is rushing towards you, who is trying to give you Ace of Cups, who is trying to give you some kind of stable committed offer in your life, who wants to get married to you, but they want to take a leap of faith in you, but you are not ready to accept a cup from them. You are not in a mood to accept a cup from them. There is Four of Cups here. Maybe they want to take a leap of faith in you. They want to get married to you. They want to give commitment to you. But you are not ready to accept that, Aquarius. Okay. There is someone who is Knight of Cups, who is coming towards you. Who is Knight of Cups is someone who is very romantic, loyal, okay, person who is coming towards you. You are getting success in releasing all the burdens, whatever burdens you are carrying on your back, whatever burdens you are carrying in your soul. Now you are getting success in releasing all the burdens because there is 10 of Wands here. And how you are getting success? Because you are doing your soul searching, your inner work. There is Hermit here. You are doing your soul searching, you are looking answers from within yourself. Okay, then there is some kind of karmic justice has been served in your case, Aquarius. Here it is the Justice and here it is the Ace of Cups. Someone is trying to give you Ace of Cups, and who is your soulmate? That person is your soulmate because there is Two of Cups here. Two of Cups is a card of soulmate. They want to offer you emotional fulfillment and they are rushing towards you, Aquarius, to give you a stable commitment, a stability in your life. Okay, stability in love. They want to offer you 10 of Pentacles. Okay, maybe they will start with a small message of hi Aquarius, how are you? Maybe with the small things where they will start because Page of Cups is here. Maybe they will say you sorry for the past things. Okay, but they want to give you beautiful things, Aquarius. There is a 10 of Pentacle here, but you are unable to make a decision. There is Two of Swords and there is Two of Wands. You are at the crossroads. You have to decide a direction for your life, but you still are unfolded. You are blindfolded. You are not unfolding your eyes. Okay, you have to take a decision, Aquarius. Don't be in this energy of indecisiveness. You have to make a decision for your life. You have to choose a decision. You have to choose a path, a direction in your life. They see you as your wish fulfillment. They see you as wish fulfillment or for them. They see you as wish fulfillment. You are the wish fulfillment for them. And they see you as someone who is very good at managing finances. You are maybe financially stable or grounded. So they see you as Queen of Pentacles and they want to take a leap of faith with you. There is Fool here. They want to get married with you, Aquarius. There is Hierophant here. But you are not accepting the cup. Now let's start your clarification and let's see what are the messages here. Why are you not accepting the cup? You were manifesting your soulmate, your twin flame, and the universe is now going to give you. That's why there is justice here. Okay. Clarify Four of Cups. Why Aquarius is not ready to accept the cup? See, Two of Swords. You are unable to decide, Aquarius. You are enjoying your singlehood. There is Nine of Pentacles. You are enjoying your singlehood. You are saying that I'm happy alone in my own way. I do not want any commitment in my life. You are enjoying your singlehood. That's why you are unable to make a decision. Two of Swords. Clarify Queen of Pentacles. Help me out to clarify what is Queen of Pentacles. King of Swords, Judgment, and bottom of the deck I am having High Priestess. You were waiting your ships to come, Aquarius. You were using your intuitions, and that's why the judgment is being served in your case. You know this truth. There is King of Swords. This is you. Queen of Pentacles is you. You know this, that the judgment is being served in your case. You hate lies, cheating, manipulation, but you know the truth, Aquarius. You are using your intuitions and the judgment is being served in your case because you are waiting your ships to come and now the ships are coming here. Okay, but see, again, Two of Swords. You are unable to make a decision. Why there is Two of Swords? Why Aquarius are unable to make a decision? Why Aquarius are unable to make a decision? Bottom of the deck, I'm having Queen of Swords. Your divine counterpart. Five of Wands, Two of Pentacles, Knight of Wands, Knight of Pentacles, Ten of Cups, Wheel of Fortune. In the past, Aquarius, you were juggling a lot to bring a balance in a situation, to bring a balance in your life. You were dealing with some kind of player energy. With that energy, there were a lot of conflicts, drama, fighting with them. There is Five of Wands, Two of Pentacles, and there is Knight of Wands. They give you some kind of lot of drama, lot of imbalance in your life. But now slowly with this Knight of Pentacles, the Wheel of Fortune, and there is Ten of Cups, you're going to receive the Wheel of Fortune is moving in your favor, Aquarius. Maybe right now some of you cannot be able to see, but the Ten of Cups is going to here. There is Ten of Cups, happily ever after. And there is Ten of Pentacles here because of the past things, because there were someone around you, Aquarius, who gave you lots of imbalance in your life. They were player kind of energy, in and out energy. There were drama, conflicts, fighting in the past. But now, after a long period of time, because Knight of Pentacles is the slowest energy in the tarot deck, so after a long period of time, the Wheel of Fortune is moving in your favor, and now you're receiving your Ten of Cups, Aquarius. So make a decision. Make a decision for yourself. Okay. Who is Knight of Cups? Clarify Knight of Cups. Lovers, Nine of Swords, Two of Cups, Seven of Cups. See, beautiful. You are having lots of options, Aquarius, to choose. Okay. Maybe this person was having lots of option to choose. Okay. But they choose you, Aquarius. They were more focusing on you. They want to give you Two of Cups. After spending so many sleepless nights, this is the love of your life. The lovers is here. The soulmate is here. And why I am saying that? Because there is lovers, and in the past they were spending sleepless nights without you. They want to give you Two of Cups. Maybe they were having lots of options to choose, but they're choosing you. Can you see? This is the lovers here. There is a lover here. There is Two of Cups again here. After spending so many sleepless nights, now they have finally decided. They were more focusing on you. Maybe they are having lots of options to choose, but they are choosing you, Aquarius. And bottom of the deck, I'm having Queen of Swords, Empress, Fool, Queen of Wands, Sun, and Six of Swords. Beautiful. You're coming towards the karma waters. They're trying to give you new happy beginning in your life. They see you as very passionate, very passionate, very attractive, full of passions. The Queen of Wands is all about passion. Okay, they want to take a leap of faith in you. And they are the Empress and the Queen of Swords. This is them. Okay. 1122 was the recording reading time. They are your love, Aquarius. They are your soulmate here. Okay, whatever hangman situation was happening in your life, because some of you Aquarius are feeling like an hangman, hanged in a situation that's going to end. So let's see more. Why there is justice? Clarify me, what is the meaning of justice? Wow. There is someone from your past, Aquarius. This person is from your past. Justice also resembles Libra. Okay, Libra energy is there. They want to give you Ten of Pentacles again. Justice has been served in your case. The person is from your past. This is your soulmate. The person is from your past. You both know each other. You're getting your clarity. Ace of Swords is here, or they are getting their clarity. Okay. Why there is? Because there, in the past there were a lot of secrets which was hidden from you. You're feeling restricted, stuck in the energy, because there were some secrets which was hidden from you, which there is Moon, there is Devil, there is Hierophant, and there is Eight of Swords. In the past, there were some secrets which was hidden from you. There was some toxicity, there was some obsession, there was some controlling narcissist behavior, energy, or person or relationship. Because of that relationship, you are feeling stuck in a situation or restricted in a life. Either you were married to this person, the Hierophant is here, or you were committed to this person for a long period of time. That's why the karmic justice has been served in your case. There were some secrets which was hidden from you. Clarify me, justice. See, Knight of Swords, Page of Cups, bottom of the deck, and this wants to get out again. This person is from your past. Okay, they are rushing towards you, Aquarius. They are rushing towards you. Knight of Swords and Knight of Swords. They are rushing towards you. But you are not ready to accept a cup from them. Can you see? Again, Four of Cups. But can you see this cup is so colorful? And you're saying, no, I do not want to accept it. This color, there is colorful cup which is going to offer to you. But you are not in a mood to accept that cup. See? There is Ace of Pentacles which they are going to give you. But you are not in a mood to accept it. Clarify me, Ace of Cups. Justice. Clarify me, Ace of Cups. What is the meaning of Ace of Cups? Ten of Wands. Again, Ten of Wands, Ten of Wands. You were carrying lots of burden on your shoulder, Aquarius. But now you are releasing it. Because you are completing a cycle, there is no 11. Now you're getting your Ace of Cups. Clarify me, Ace of Cups. Because of that devil energy, you are carrying lots of burden on your shoulder. Because of the past experiences, because of the past relationship, their relationship was very toxic. You are carrying lots of burden on your shoulders. They may be very obsessive, controlling narcissist towards you. Maybe they were playing with your emotional manipulation was going on with you. But now you're getting your Ace of Cups and there is 10 of Pentacles. Can you see? There is 10 of Pentacles, there is 10 of Pentacles 2 times. Do not worry at all. Okay. Someone is rushing towards you to give you beautiful things which you deserve. I'm proud of you, Aquarius. Why there is 2 of Cups? Clarify me, 2 of Cups. Clarify me, 2 of Cups. See, this is your divine counterpart. I'm having King of Pentacle here, bottom of the deck. And here it is Queen of Pentacle. King of Pentacle and Queen of Pentacle. This is your divine counterpart. See, this person is from your past. Again, 6 of Cups is here. There is 3 of Pentacle. There is King of Pentacle. You walked away from someone in search of 9 of Cups. 8 of Cups is here. Either you walk away from a person or a relationship in search of your 9 of Cups, your wish fulfillment. You move in a forward direction, Aquarius. And when you walk away from the toxic things, from that devil energy, the justice is being served in your case. Can you see? There is again justice. Because you were doing your inner work, you were doing your soul searching, you were asking yourself. And here it is. You are using your intuitions, you are using your emotions, you are doing your soul searching, and you are hoping for new beginnings. There is Sun here. The karmic justice is being served in your case. The Sun is the happiest card in the tarot deck. New happy beginnings in love, new happy beginnings in life. Because you walk away from the toxic relationship. Because you were moving in a forward direction in search of your 9 of Cups. Sorry for the noises. There are a lot of person who are who are playing actually. Okay, clarify me, Knight of Swords. Who is rushing towards you, Aquarius? Who is rushing towards Aquarius? Help me out. Who is rushing towards Aquarius? Ace of Cups, 8 of Pentacle, Queen of Pentacle. Bottom of the deck, I'm having 7 of Wands. You are very defensive. Your guards are very much high, Aquarius. Your guards are very much high right now. You're protecting your aura. You're protecting your energy. You're saying no more manipulation, no more emotional games, mind games with me. But do not worry at all. Because can you see? Again, you are putting lots of efforts efforts. There is 8 of Pentacles. You are putting lots of efforts or energy or love or time in a relationship. You already put lot of time, efforts, money, whatever you can call. You're putting lot of things in that relationship. But now you're receiving your Ace of Cups. They're giving you Ace of Cups. Again, the 2 Ace of Cups is here. Guards down, Aquarius. I know whatever has happened in the past, but you need to trust your manifestation at least. Because you are manifesting your twin flame. Can you see here? Knight of Swords. There are 10 of Pentacles, the Sun, and the Ace of Cups is again here. Why there is Ace of Pentacles? See, this is your wish fulfillment, or they see you as your wish fulfillment. There's wish fulfillment. You are waiting your ships to come. There were some lies, cheating, manipulation going on in your back in the past. Okay, there is Seven of Swords. From that cheating, lies, cheating, manipulation, you were resting and rejuvenating yourself. And there is someone who sees you as Nine of Cups, your wish fulfillment. You are the wish fulfillment for someone. Oh my god, I'm sorry, I'm very sorry. Uh, but I'm having so much pain in my legs today. Let's see, let's see, let's see. Let's start. Okay. Clarify me, fool. What is the meaning of fool? Death, Two of Swords, and King of Pentacles. Whatever situation was there in the past, that is going to end. Okay, that death and rebirth is here. Rebirth is taking place, and you have to decide. You are unable to decide. You are unable to make a decision, Aquarius. And this person is your twin flame. 2121 was the recording reading time. They want to start a new beginning with you. They want to take a leap of faith with you. There is King of Pentacle here. Can you see? Queen of Pentacle and King of Pentacle. You have to make a decision. You are unable to decide. They want to start with you, Aquarius, and that's the Judgment here. Clarify me, Ten of Pentacles. Why there is Ten of Pentacles? You're feeling stuck, restricted in some energy, Aquarius, but do not worry. They will provide you equal amount of give and take. There is a World card and there is Six of Pentacles. They want to provide you equal amount of give and take. There is a completion of cycle, just that it is. That's it. Ten of Pentacles. Please help me out to clarify why there is Ten of Pentacles. See again. Ten of Pentacles, Page of Cups. And here it is, Page of Cups. Again. Wow. There was Queen of Wands here too, right? And now I'm having King of Wands. One minute. Where is Queen of Wands? Okay, I'll find it out later. Now, right now I can't see. Fine, it's fine, it's fine. It's okay. You do not want to get out. Okay. Okay. You're feeling restricted. You're feeling stuck, Aquarius. There is someone around you who is trying to give you. No, I can't find your Queen of Wands. Okay, but there was Queen of Wands. Okay, not an issue. They want to give you Ace of Pentacle. They are coming towards you. This is your divine counterpart. I'm saying again and again, this is your soulmate. Okay, they will start with a small sorry, or maybe small message or small offer, but they want commitment. They want some solid stability in your life, in their life too. That's why there is Ace of Pentacle, Ace of Pentacle. There is Ace of Cups and Ace of Cups. There is, wow, beautiful. Today's reading is very beautiful. I'm having, from my both decks, I'm having two Ace of Pentacles, two Ace of Cups, Ten of Pentacles I'm having two times. I'm having Ten of Cups two times. Let me see why there is Two of Pentacles. Why Aquarius are unable to decide. Why Aquarius are unable to make a decision. Clarify Two of Wands. Clarify Two of Wands. See again, bottom of the deck, I'm having Four of Cups. You are not in a mood to accept a cup from someone. See again, the Queen of Swords and the Empress has fallen out. You have to move in a forward direction, Aquarius. There is a Page of Pentacles. There is Chariot here. You have to move in a forward direction. You know what is right and what is wrong for you. You can't be stuck or restricted in energy, okay, for a long period of time. There is Seven of Pentacles. There is again the Nine of Cups. Nine of Cups. They see you as their wish fulfillment, or your wish fulfillment is coming true. This is your divine counterpart. I'm having Queen of Swords, I'm having King of Swords both here. There is a power couple here which I am seeing right now. Okay, but you are not in a mood to accept the cup from them. Make a mood. Make your mood up, Aquarius. Okay. Why there is Six of Wands? You're getting your clarity. Because you are getting your clarity, that's why there is Six of Wands. You're getting success, recognition, victory in achieving your clarity. You're getting your clarity. You are no more like an hangman. Right now, some of your Aquarius are feeling like an hangman. But do not worry at all. You come towards the calmer waters. There is again Six of Swords, Six of Wands. Maybe right now you are feeling like hangman. You are unable to make a decision right now. But you will come towards the calmer waters. You will get success, recognition in getting your clarity. There is Ace of Swords here. Okay, what I need to clarify. Clarify me, Hierophant. See, Two of Wands, Star. You need to make a decision for yourself, Aquarius. Okay, you need to make a decision for yourself. What direction you want to choose. Either you want to get married with this person or not. Bottom of the deck, I'm having Page of Wands, Four of Wands, Five of Cups, and the Emperor. See, this is you. The Emperor is you. You are feeling more. You're more focusing on those things which are fallen out. You're crying on spilled milk. Do not focus on this energy of Five of Cups. Sad, remorse, guilty. Okay. Focus on Two Cups which are waiting for you. Your twin flame, your soulmate is waiting for you. They're giving you passionate beginnings. They're trying to ignite your passion back. And here it is again the Emperor. This is you. Okay. Clarify me, Page of Cups. Why there is Page of Cups? Okay, maybe this person is, you already committed to this person in the past. Okay. See, King of Cups, Three of Swords, and Page of Swords just fallen out. Maybe they were spying, keeping tabs on you. They broke your heart in the past. Or whatever the past hurts they have given or you got from someone else. That can be a possibility for some of you, Aquarius. But if this is the same energy which you were dealing with, they were keeping tabs on you. They were spying on you. That's why they're saying, sorry, Aquarius, I was keeping tabs on you, but I can't lose you. They know that they broke your heart. Maybe someone from your past is coming back, but this is your soulmate. Or maybe this is the new this is someone from your past, that is for sure. Either it is the new love or the past love coming back in your life. Okay, but they are very sorry because they know that your heart was broken a lot. Okay, so that was your clarification for the reading. Let's add the messages. What is the advice from the divine, from the universe? Give me the advice for the Aquarius. Please help me out to give me the advice. What is the advice for my lovely Aquarius all over the world? What is the advice for the Aquarius? Help me out to give me the advice. No, I just flip out. There is devil. There is two of wands. What is the advice? Okay. Beautiful Aquarius. Okay. Devil, two of wands, then there is eight of cups. You already move in a forward direction. You already left this devil energy behind. Okay, eight of cups is here. You need to decide that you already moved in a forward direction in your search of your nine of cups, because you were dealing with someone who was very toxic, manipulation, cheating, lies. They put you in a third party situation, whatever it was. And third party can be anything: family, friends, job, career, or other affair. Okay, there was some toxicity which was attached to your relationship. Now you have to make a decision. Maybe some of you Aquarius have to walk away from that energy. Okay, you already moved in a forward direction, search of your nine of cups. Okay, and now you are getting your beautiful things. There is six of cups. Again, someone from your past is coming back. Use your intuition. There is high priestess. Okay, six of cups, high priestess. They're giving you ace of wands. This king of wands has come again for you. See, king of wands is trying to give you stable, committed offers. They're igniting your passion, Aquarius. They're very passionate. They're igniting your passion. This person is from your past, and they're giving you sun. Beautiful. Because you walk away from, see here also, you walk away from this toxic devil energy. And here also I was having devil, then I was having eight of cups. You walk away from the toxicity, from that devil energy. You threw them out of your life, and now you are receiving the sun. Happy new beginnings are coming for you. Beautiful reading for today. So that was your reading for today, Aquarius. I'm having, let's summarize your reading. There is someone around you who is coming towards you to give you some kind of stable, committed offer. With this ace of pentacle, and ace of pentacle is here two times. Where is my deck? Here it is. Oh, okay. This person is from your past. Okay, this person is from your past. That you both know each other. There is six of cups, queen, king of wands, and king of wands. Okay, can you see king of wands and king of wands? Okay, this person is from your past, and I'm having six of cups, and here also I was having six of cups, I guess. Yeah, I was having it. Okay, while shuffling I was seeing it. Fine, not an issue. Okay, so king of wands and king of wands. This person is from your past. They're offering you sun, and that's very beautiful. You are having two suns here, Aquarius. The happiest card in the tarot deck. New beginnings in love, new beginnings in life. Because you walk away from the devil. That's why. From both of the deck, I'm getting it. Because you walk away from, you move in a forward direction from the toxicity, from someone who was not good for you. You walk away from them, from their life. because you walk away and you're getting your reward. That's why there is a karmic justice which is being served in your case. You have to use your intuitions, Aquarius. There is someone who is igniting your passion. You have to take a decision for yourself. There is two of cups, two of wands, two of wands, two of wands. I was having two of wands from third deck also. See, there are two of wands from three decks. So you have to make a decision for yourself. You are at the crossroads. You have to choose a direction for your life. Okay. Whatever situation was happening in your life, that is going to end. And this is the love of your life. There is lovers. There is two of cups. Can you see? Two of cups. Two of cups. Lovers. Beautiful. I love this picture a lot. Especially this one and this one too. I love it. This is your soulmate, Aquarius. This is your soulmate. Okay. You were doing your soul searching. There is Hermit again 2 times. You were doing your soul searching. You were working on yourself. Karmic justice is being served in your case. There are 2 justice. Karmic justice is served in your case. There is someone who is trying to give you Ace of Cups. Where is Ace of Cups? Here. Ace of Cups and Ace of Cups. Emotional fulfillment. A cup full of emotions. Aquarius. Okay, the cup is overflowing with all emotions. There is, I am having 10 of Pentacles and 10 of Pentacles from both of my deck. Abundance of everything. What else you want? This is your divine counterpart. I'm having Emperor and Empress both. Okay. Emperor and Empress. I told Emperor and Empress. Okay. King of Pentacle or Queen of Pentacle. And Emperor and Empress was there too. That's why I say. Okay. You have to move in a forward direction. Okay. There is a Chariot here. See, there is one more pair here. I am having King of Swords and Queen of Swords. 3737 was the recording reading time. You are the wish fulfillment for them, or they are the wish fulfillment for you. Okay. You're getting your clarity. You're getting your 10 of Cups. Okay. They're rushing towards you. There is Knight of Swords 2 times. They're rushing towards Aquarius. Where is my Aquarius? I want my Aquarius. They're rushing towards you. Okay. So that was your reading, Aquarius. I hope I help you out in some manner. I hope it resonates with you. But if it doesn't resonate with you, you can skip it out, Aquarius, and take whatever is resonating according to your situation, according to your condition. Okay. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. Take care of yourself, Aquarius. Sending you lots of love and light to each of you, Aquarius. And see you soon, Aquarius, in the new year.